House Tour Tuesday, and I'm Leslie Lopez, Realtor with the Lopez team at ERA Liberty Realty. Today I'm at my listing at 730 Crosswinds Drive in Charlestown, West Virginia. Located in Crosswinds subdivision, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath rancher with 1-car garage is impeccable inside. It is well taken care of. I got a roof that's only 2 weeks old, and it has a deck and a fenced backyard. This house could be yours. Give me a call today at 304-671-2002. I'll see you at the next house. Bye. Hi, Leslie Lopez, and I'm at property number 2. It's House Tour Tuesday, and I'm at 3810 Greensburg Road in Martinsburg, West Virginia. And did you know that I just ratified a contract on this house thanks to House Tour Tuesdays? Call me today, 304-671-2002, and let me sell your house for top dollar. I'll see you at property number 3. Bye. It's House Tour Tuesday, and I'm Leslie Lopez, Realtor with the Lopez team, and I'm at property number 3, located at 16 Stain Cedar Court in Cedar Meadows subdivision in Martinsburg, West Virginia. This house has a lot of square footage, and it's so hollow because it's so big. It's fully finished, and you need to see it. Give me a call today at 304-671-2002, and maybe this is the home that you've been looking for. I'll see you at the next property. Bye. It's House Tour Tuesday, and I'm Leslie Lopez with the Lopez team, and I'm at property number 4 at 44 Iden Lane in Martinsburg, West Virginia. So proud to say that this beautiful rancher here in Martinsburg just went under contract last week. We are proud to say that the Lopez team can sell your home too. So give us a call today at 304-671-2002 and let us sell your home for top dollar. I'll see you at the next property. Bye. It's House Tour Tuesday, and I'm Leslie Lopez with the Lopez team at ERA Liberty Realty. I'm at property number 5, located at 49 Pluto Place in Martinsburg, West Virginia. This split foyer that's fully finished with 4 bedrooms and 2 baths is located on a quiet cul-de-sac. It has a fully fenced backyard, deck. It even comes with a pool table. This home has been lightly lived in, and you need to see it. Give me a call today at 304-671-2002, and maybe this is the home that you've been looking for. I'll see you at the next property. Bye. It's House Tour Tuesday, and I'm Leslie Lopez with the Lopez team. I am at property number 6, located in the beautiful area of Mountain Crest subdivision. This brick executive level home has 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. It also has trade ceilings in the foyer, master bedroom, and dining room, 9-foot ceilings on both levels, a $7,000 water treatment system, a guest suite above, pull-down attic storage. You name it, this house has it. Give me a call today, 304-671-2002, and maybe this home is the home for you. I'll see you at the next property. Bye. It's House Tour Tuesday, and I'm Leslie Lopez, and I'm at property number 7, located at Lot 4 at Crossings on the Potomac. This 8+ acre lot is a river lot, and it's ready for your dream home. Look it up today. Check the link out for a personal tour and buy this lot. 304-671-2002, and it can be yours. See you next week. Bye.